Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of ultralight drones with the highly anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro. While DJI themselves haven't officially announced anything yet, the rumor mill is churning, and there are some exciting possibilities on the horizon. So, when can we expect the DJI Mini 5 Pro to launch? Looking at DJI's release history, especially for the Mini series, September 2024 seems like the most likely timeframe. The Mini 4 Pro came out in April 2023, and DJI typically refreshes its popular lines on a yearly or bi-yearly basis. This aligns with predictions from industry experts and even some credible leaks floating around online. Now let's get to the fun part. What can we expect from the Mini 5 Pro? Here's where things get interesting. There's no official confirmation, but based on online discussions, wishlist threads, and educated guesses, here are some potential upgrades. Camera. Powerhouse. The Mini 4 Pro already boasts a fantastic camera, but there's always room for improvement. We might see a bump in megapixels, better low-light performance, and perhaps even the ability to shoot higher frame rates for those super smooth slow-motion videos. Obstacle avoidance on point. This is a common request from Mini 4 Pro users. Improved obstacle avoidance sensors would give pilots more confidence and creative freedom, especially when flying in complex environments. Flight time for days. Battery life is a crucial factor for any drone pilot. The Mini 4 Pro already does well, but a longer flight time would be a game changer. Imagine capturing that epic sunset panorama without worrying about a mid-flight battery drain. Connectivity boost. A stronger and more reliable connection between the drone and the controller is always appreciated. This would minimize signal drops and ensure smooth operation, especially for long-range flights. The portability advantage. One of the biggest strengths of the Mini series is its sub-250-gram weight, making it exempt from certain regulations in many countries. It would be fantastic to see DJI maintain this while incorporating the improvements mentioned above. Beyond these potential upgrades, here are some other things to consider. Price point. The Mini series is known for being a budget-friendly option compared to other DJI drones. It'll be interesting to see if the Mini 5 Pro sticks to that strategy or if the rumored upgrades come with a price bump. DJI Fly app integration. We can almost certainly expect the Mini 5 Pro to work seamlessly with the DJI Fly app, offering intuitive flight controls, live view, and editing features. Is the DJI Mini 5 Pro the right drone for you? Even without official details, we can make some educated guesses. If you're a hobbyist pilot looking for a powerful yet compact drone for stunning aerial photography and videography, the Mini 5 Pro is definitely worth keeping an eye on. Here's a quick breakdown to help you decide. Get it if you prioritize portability, excellent camera quality, and ease of use. Hold off if you need a drone for professional use that demands absolute top-of-the-line features or require a payload capacity exceeding the Mini series limitations. Remember, this is all based on speculation and leaks, but one thing's for sure, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be an exciting addition to the ultra-light drone market. If you're in the market for a new drone, stay tuned for official announcements from DJI in the coming months. In the meantime, here are some ways to stay updated. Subscribe to our channel. We'll be sure to bring you all the latest news and information on the DJI Mini 5 Pro as soon as it becomes available. Follow DJI's official channels. They'll be the first to announce the drone's release date, specifications, and pricing. Join online communities. Forums and discussion boards dedicated to drones are great places to stay up to date on rumors and hear from other enthusiasts. Thanks for joining me today. Let me know in the comments below what features you're most excited about in the potential DJI Mini 5 Pro. And if you have any questions about drones in general, feel free to leave them down below as well. Until next time, happy flying!